had no choice but to hear you. You stayed in your case time and again, and I thought about it. You treat me like I'm a princess, and I'm not. You still liking my air, and you ask how my day was. You've already won me over in spite of me. And don't be long if I fall head over feet, and don't be surprised if I love you for all that you are. I couldn't help it, it's all your fault. Your love is thick and it swallowed me whole, and you're so much braver than I give you credit for, and that's not lip service. You've already won me over in spite